A dog teaches you the kind of love humans forget. A gentle love, one that waits for you by the door. They watch you grow without ever saying a word. They know when to curl up close and when to let you fall apart. They sit at your feet on days you swear you'll never beg for love again, tail wagging like they already believe in tomorrow. They stay with you through nights you cried on the kitchen floor and the mornings you decided to start over. One day, when you notice the gray on their face, you'll realize your first real home was never a place, but a heartbeat that stayed.